Good morning. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Today I'm going grocery shopping. We're gonna do a healthy grocery shopping store haul. I gotta pick up a lot of my staples today. I haven't gone grocery shopping in a week and a half. This fridge, she's bone dry. So off to do that. Gonna take you with me, and then we're gonna do a full haul, a grocery shopping haul for WHITMAS 2019. Hey. Had to pop on my coat because it's only 37 degrees outside. Baloney, if you ask me. Make a quick pit stop at UPS because I have to send off my mom and my dad's and my brother's Christmas gift. My sister's is not coming via the mail, okay? That's all you need to know. And then I'm gonna pop on over to Sprouts. Sprouts is my new spot. I think it's now my new favorite grocery store spot. I still go to Trader Joe's here and there, but for the majority I'm getting all my produce and the majority of my goodies at Sprouts now. And I'm loving it. Got my reusable shopping bags. You know, a bad day when you forget those. The guilt, it just eats you alive, doesn't it? Well, I'll see you at Sprouts then, I guess. Well, well, well. Oh. Well, what do we have here? Listen, Linda, I was going to vlog me inside the grocery store having a final good relaxed time, but I wasn't relaxed today, okay? There were so many people. I had to fight people with my carts, and it was just a lot for me. So I decided we weren't gonna vlog. I'll just do the whole haul when we're here back at my place. So let's jump into this. I personally feel like we should start with the snacks because that's the most exciting and I love snacks. So, had to pick up myself a brand new bag of my Popcorners kettle corn to die for. I talked about these in my favorites video. They make such a good snack. I do have to be careful. If I pop open a bag and set it next to me and then do some work on my computer or watch a Netflix show, I look over and the whole bag is gone, you know? So, you gotta be a little bit careful with these, but they're absolutely to die for. The sweet and salty kettle corn is my favorite until y'all harassed me until I bought the sweet chili. The only place I can find the sweet chili is on Amazon, so I buy a box of the little bags, which is nice, a little more self-control than this big guy right here. But the sweet chili is so good, and I'm so sensitive to hot and spicy stuff, and these, they're not, okay? Popcorners is gluten-free. Most of their stuff is dairy-free. You have to be careful because I know some of their flavors do have dairy, but these ones, gluten and dairy-free, baby. My most recent obsession is the organic crunchy rice rollers in the apple cinnamon flavor. So stinking good. I picked up apple cinnamon. This is the last one I had, so I also picked up the flavor mixed berry. Never tried it, but I will let you know. When I used to shop at Costco, I would eat these all the dang time, and I hadn't found them until I went to Sprouts. But then somebody let me know they're also available at Walmart. Listen, such a good snack to toss in your purse, toss in your school bag, toss it into your gym bag. You get hungry in the middle of the workout, pop out some of these rice rollers. Rice cakes, who? No, disgusting trash. Rice rollers, fan-freaking-tastic. My good friend, Taylor Chamberlain, Dilk, she's married, but Tay on Instagram, she raves about these. I went to her house and she was just eating them out of the bag, so I finally found them. I had to try them. It is the Enjoy Life mini chips semi-sweet, pure chocolate. This brand also makes these little bars, and they're right next to each other, so I mean, I had to try them. The chocolate flavored confectionery bars, rice milk crunch. Everything from this brand is also gluten and dairy free in case you have any allergies. I don't know your life, you know, I'm just giving you a heads up. So let me try a little brick. I mean, if you like chocolate, it's good. I'm more of like a chewy nerds type of gal, but I'm not complaining. I also picked up 2 bags of the Odo Thins Everything Bagel Thins. Look how thin they are. Y'all know I'm obsessed with these, okay? I showed these my last full day of eating. I'm still having one every single morning. You'll find these in the freezer section. So I just leave these in my freezer. I'll pop one out. They already come pre-cut. So then I'll just pop it straight in my toaster, and it's magical. I mean, I don't know if I was the only one, but I had no idea that you could put frozen bread straight into the toaster and then it toasts straight up like it's not frozen. Where have I been? Also picked up another box of these Vans gluten-free blueberry waffles. I used to go through about 3 boxes of these a week. I've really slowed down. I'll go through 1 box every 1 to 2 weeks. But these do make such a good snack if you're on the go. You pop them in your toaster, take them in the car. I can't tell you how many times I've eaten these in the car. If you love peanut butter, top it with a little peanut butter spread, almond butter spread, whatever spread you want. All I'm saying is these are fan-freaking-tastic and you need them. You need them. I changed my mind. That chocolate bar was fan-freaking-tastic. Oh, speaking of fan-freaking-tastic, these are the Siete Cinnamon Crisps. I love Siete. All of my tortillas, the almond flour tortillas by Siete. Oh, to die for. Steph and I have taco night every Tuesday night, and I have those tortillas all the dang time. This is a holiday seasonal flavor. Check this out, check this out, check this out. Are you checking this out? It's like a little chip, so thin, covered in cinnamon. So good. I got this bag a day ago and I finished the whole bag. There's no shame in my game. All I'm saying is I went to find them at Sprouts today. Can't find them. I can't find them. So stinking good. I don't know how long that holiday flavor is going to be around, so get it while you can. Picked up my basics, which I usually get every single week, including steamed jasmine rice. This is just like the box at Trader Joe's. If I can't make it to Trader Joe's, I'll just pick it up at Sprouts now. There's 3 packs in here. You pop it in the microwave, your rice is ready to go. So quick, so easy, so simple. They also have different kinds of rice, but I'm a jasmine rice type of gal. It's so good. Such an easy side to pop on anything. Speaking of easy sides, asparagus. Listen, I never liked asparagus until I learned how to cook it correctly to my liking. So for asparagus, I pop it on a skillet, drizzle it with olive oil, add some garlic salt. That's it. And it is to die for. I love getting sides like this because it takes 3 to 5 minutes to cook up. This guy, 3 minutes. And then you have these sides I can use with every meal throughout the week. So just this one bunch of asparagus will last Steph and I for 2, maybe 3 meals, depending on, you know, how much of an asparagus mood we're in. Another great side are potatoes. I love making mashed potatoes. So I just boil up some water, boil these for 15 minutes, mash them up, drizzle with olive oil, add a little butter. This is enough potatoes for 3 sides. And Stefan, you know, my favorite thing about Stefan is he's just so easy to please, you know? You just make him a meal, hallelujah, you know, that's all he needs. So I try to think of super simple sides like this and this that I can pop onto a meal, like my spaghetti squash. Ooh. Steph and I have been eating this once a week, sometimes even twice a week for the last month or 2. I never thought I was a spaghetti squash gal. I never did. I've tried the zucchini noodles. I'm not a fan. Spaghetti squash, I'm a fan. I always choose this over my bonze pasta now, which is saying a lot, okay? That's really saying a lot. Something about the texture of this, it has a nice little crunch to it, but it's not crunchy. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. It takes me 30 minutes to cook these in the oven. I pop it on some marinara sauce. Ooh, me and Stefan, we're obsessed. That's what we had for dinner last night. I'll show you my leftovers, 1 second. Leftovers. So I'm about to eat. Oh, that's disgusting. Another bomb snack, baby carrots and some hummus. Right now I'm obsessed with sun-dried tomato basil hummus. This will last me 2 weeks, but I'm always picking up carrots. Such an easy snack to have out. If I have snacks like this easily accessible, especially when I'm cooking and I'm starving, I'm less likely to grab a box of Chewy Nerds. Y'all know me, I could eat candy all day, every day. All right, thank the heavens above, okay? For my girls out there who told me to get the plain cream cheese instead of the Unlux. I didn't even know, but that other kind, let me show you. This is the only flavor that Trader Joe's carries. It's vegan cream cheese, but it has Unlux Your Dreams, which is apparently seafood flavor. Had no idea. I'm now only using the plainly classic vegan cream cheese. I pop it on top of my bagel thins, pop an egg on top. Always gotta get a restock of my Eggaroos. Got them. This is the organic pasture raised 12 eggs. So this is not my new favorite. I am gonna finish off this, don't you worry. I hate seafood, so I'm surprised I liked this, but I do like the plain classic cream cheese a little bit more. Oh, so excited about this. I finally found some reusable mesh bags. Stock up on Sprouts produce. So this was $2. Most of my produce I won't bother putting in those plastic bags, but some stuff you have to. So now I can take these bags with me and then I can put my produce in these now instead. Got myself some butter lettuce. The best of the best lettuce on this planet is butter lettuce. And then just a few more things. These were at the very front of the store because they were on sale. Usually these suckers during the summer, $7 to $8. Today, $1.98. eat. Another great snack to just always have with you, put it in your gym bag, put it in your purse. My go-to for snacks right now are just fruit and veggies, keeping it super simple. Cuties, they're so stinking cute and delicious. I feel very fortunate because today Sprouts did have straws. I'm not having any good luck with strawberries lately. I've actually been buying them frozen, cut in halves, and then that's how I put them in my oatmeal right now. But I did find some fresh strawberries today. I like fresh better than the frozen straws for my oatmeal. Picked up my straws. Y'all know how much I love straws, okay? You got a sweet tooth? Straws. I'm not really an avocado gal, but these were only 2 for $1. 50 cents today. They're definitely going bad. They're very squishy, so I'm gonna find a way to eat this tonight and tomorrow. I really don't love avocados. I like it, you know, but you know how some people are like crazy for avocados, like they wear avocados all over their shirt, have it on their phone cases and stuff. That's just not me. I like them, but I'm not obsessed with them. I did pick up some plant-based protein starter. I'm gonna try this next week with my spaghetti squash. Sometimes we try to mix up the meats in it, whether it's this or some ground turkey, but that's all I got for the meats today. And last but not least, I got suckered in. You know, I got really suckered in to this one, but I'm not upset. I'm not upset. This is the Lavender Organic Hand Sanitizer in a spray form, and that just sounds really exciting to me, okay? Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up today's grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. These are very simple, basic items that I'm picking up every single week. Whether I'm planning out a meal or just some basic sides, some snackaroos, it helps me keep on track of reaching my fitness goals. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and never forget to subscribe so you never miss a fit tip with Whit again, or a WHITMAS 2019. She's almost over, which is devastating. I will say it is devastating. Navy and I are sending you all of our love this holiday season. We love you so much. Thank you for tuning into WHITMAS for WHITMAS 2019. That's so good. You did so good. Now I have to growl and groan the whole time. I would say that's a little dramatic, but that's fine.